Crack the code of negative thinking with the AOS method, the science-backed way to rewire your brain. Written by Bob Baker. How do you handle negative thinking when it rears its ugly head? Some people mentally play the same sad song repeatedly until it becomes part of their self-identity. Others try to ignore the negative thought and hope it goes away. But I think you know, ignoring it doesn't make it go away. The best way to deal with negative thoughts might be the AOS technique. It's a method recommended by Dr. Caroline Leaf, a communication pathologist and clinical neuroscientist. She is also the author of Cleaning Up Your Mental Mess and several other books. This technique is part of her broader framework called the Neuro-cycle, a process designed to help people manage their minds and change negative thought patterns. Here's a breakdown of the AOS technique. AOS is an acronym that stands for Acknowledge, Observe, and Shift. Here's a summary of the three-step process. Number 1, acknowledge. The first step involves recognizing and acknowledging your thoughts and emotions. This is crucial for becoming aware of what you're experiencing without judgment. So instead of ignoring or obsessing about your dark thoughts, you simply acknowledge your feelings as they come up. Step 2, observe. The next step is to observe these thoughts and feelings without becoming attached to them. Shaming or blaming is not allowed. This involves taking a step back and viewing your thoughts objectively, almost as if watching them from a distance. Dr. Leaf suggests this helps you identify the patterns and triggers influencing these disempowering thoughts. Step 3, shift. Finally, the shift phase involves actively changing your thought patterns. This could mean redirecting your focus from negative to positive thoughts, or reframing a situation to see it from a different, more constructive perspective. The goal is to move from a reactive state to a proactive one, where you can manage your responses more effectively. Dr. Leaf emphasizes that by practicing the AOS technique, you can better manage intrusive thoughts, reduce anxiety, and improve overall mental well-being. This approach aligns with her broader philosophy that the brain is neuroplastic and can change and adapt over time. You don't have to be a victim when negative thoughts arise. You can take control and rewire your brain to process your emotions in healthier and more positive ways. What do you think? Have you ever used this method with your negative thoughts? Please leave a comment and let us know. To dive deeper into this topic, visit bobbakerinspiration.com for some free gifts and a free subscription to Bob's Abundant Life newsletter. Have an awesome day.